Hi guys, with another video. I would like to show you today this is the lock, and I am gonna take it out to this part and let's see what is the inside. This is the lock that will take it out and see the inside. And as you see, there was a pin right here. I just bent the other opposite side. As you see, this is the one right there, and I just straight out to this pin, and then it came out this part, as you see, and then came out. This is the inside, as you see right there. What else? This is the this is the part. It's not coming. Of course, there is a way to take it out. Let me see if I can take it out. No. Yeah. Okay, it came out. This is the way when you pull it. It came out. Here you are. This is the ta-da. That's it. This is it. And there's another part. Oh, they made it so good. Maybe I cannot take it out. This. Oh, anyway, as you see, they made it this way. This is the part. As you see. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.